I'm Rick Buck, and I've been a dentist for 16 years, and I've been taking out wisdom teeth for 13 years. In this video today, I'm going to show you how easy taking out wisdom teeth can actually be. Now this patient kept having pain in his wisdom teeth, so we will show you how easy these teeth come out. And to be honest, I found that it's more often that wisdom teeth come out easily than the difficult ones. You will see I can insert my instrument here called an elevator and use a rotating prying motion to add pressure. I start with the easiest wisdom tooth because patients normally have a moderate amount of anxiety about this procedure. And I have found that once the first tooth comes out and the faster it comes out, their anxiety normally subsides quite a bit, especially if it comes out really fast, pops out. Once we have it out, you can see the roots of the wisdom teeth are normally quite jagged like this one. Wisdom teeth are renowned for having crazy roots. Sometimes this makes the removal quite difficult, and sometimes like this, it doesn't. Now we're moving on to the lower wisdom tooth on the same side. Typically, the lower wisdom teeth are much more difficult to remove than the uppers, but you can see this one today, right as I'm putting that elevator in there, it's loosening up about as quickly as the upper wisdom tooth. Let's just put it this way, these teeth are not made to come out quickly. Now, there are tricks to make this tooth come out even quicker that have to do with drilling on the surrounding bone, which is necessary in a lot of cases. However, here, I would only save a few minutes. So I'm gonna avoid drilling on the bone if I can, even though technically there's nothing ever wrong that comes of it. I'm just always as conservative, as prudent, and practical. In fact, this tooth I will remove with some forceps using a back and forth rocking motion to help it come out faster. Quickly, before I get into the most interesting part, I developed the best toothbrush, floss, and other dental products that are in Amazon affiliate links in the description. Most dental products have not progressed in the last 10 to 15 years, and these dental products are more advanced and will give you a stunningly clean mouth. You should watch my videos about why they are the best posted at the end of this video so you brush and floss with superior results that avoid gum disease, cavities, and give you fresh breath. Now let's go to the upper left third molar or wisdom tooth. Something I didn't get good footage of on the other side is me separating the gum tissue from the wisdom tooth. This will help the tooth come out more easily once loose. If you pay close attention, the way I pry with my elevator instrument is by simply rotating the instrument. This will put pressure backwards and up out of the socket. Now, if you pay really close attention, sometimes I rotate that instrument clockwise and sometimes I rotate it counterclockwise. Each tooth responds differently to the direction of the pressure. Some loosen fast when I use a clockwise motion and then others vice versa. So I just feel out which approach works best, or I just kind of keep doing both to put pressure in different directions. Now, here's an insider thing. The cool thing for dentists to do as a dentist is never use the forceps to grab and pull out a tooth. I don't know why that's a thing, but I'm not cool. So I'm just going to pull out the tooth with forceps. And that's it right there. The tooth comes out. Moving on, you can now see how this last wisdom tooth, before we pull it out, has emerged further than the adjacent tooth or the tooth in front of it. This was causing the patient to always hit this tooth first when he ate, and even resting his jaw would sometimes hurt if they inadvertently touched. So this tooth was the motivator to come and get him to remove his wisdom teeth. I always tell people, wisdom teeth just cause problems. It's easier to have them out when you're young, like you're seeing here today. So this was the main reason he wanted them out. Well, you can see it slowly loosens to the prying pressure, but honestly, this guy's wisdom teeth just respond better to the back and forth motion of forceps. So once again, me being practical and not cool, I switched over to the forceps, and you will see the tooth start to move a lot faster. Eventually, the tooth begins to move quite a bit, and we are able to just take it out. We aren't done yet though. So for these wisdom teeth, even cleanup is easy. We just flush the sockets with sterile ozonated water and clean them a few other ways. But yeah, that's what you do, and then you give them some gauze to bite on. And I would say 50% of wisdom teeth are actually pretty easy to take out, just like these. This one just happened that all 4 were easy. I'd say in total it took me less than 20 minutes once the patient was numb to take all of these out and just be done. Watch all my daily tooth care videos I have posted now for the best technique, tips and products for a stunningly clean mouth that avoids tooth decay and gum disease and gives you fresh breath and white teeth. My dental products are in Amazon affiliate links in the description below this video. If in Southern California, my dental office is in the description as well. Like and subscribe to my channel if you have teeth.